Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome to a new video, and I have come up with the various things that is already provided. Different ICSE topics, IAC topics are already there. But today's topic is something different from the general topics that we normally do. It is nothing serious. It is nothing very like we have to again read and prepare questions and this and that. It is something which is where you will relax a bit, where you have chances to win a number of prizes. Okay, so what is it? It is actually, as I was telling some of you in the comment section, you must have seen that there are certain competitions that come up from the government's end, that come up from different countries where you children above the age of 15 can participate and win various prizes. There are there are different prizes. For example, you have different gifts or different prize money, different amounts of prize money. So I hope my family, where I find 7,000 members almost, and it is a huge family, and I want you all to participate. There I have no role to play over here. I will not benefit from any of your participation. This is the first thing that I would inform you. The only thing I want from you all is that you can register here if you want. You will not have to pay any amount of money. I will not benefit in any way possible. It is just for your sake, just so that you can try something that is away from the normal serious topics that we always discuss. It is something where you can participate, where you can see whether you can write or read or whatever the competition says. How good you are in that. Okay, you can compete with foreign children, you can compete with your own country's children, and there is a chance in which you can make yourself proud, you can make your parents proud, where you can make me proud in the end. So yes, I want you to participate and also share how your experience was, how you participated, if you have won, what you won, and how was that feeling also in the comment section. All right, that's all. There will be two videos where you will find two separate competitions. Where and in the description box below, you will also find the link where you can directly go register, and you can whatever is written over there, you can follow accordingly. I will discuss in detail how you will register, what you'll have to do, what is the last date, what you should not do, everything. So don't worry, continue to follow the video, and in the end, let me know if you have any doubts. Without any delay, let's continue. Hello everybody, so this is the second video where you see another competition, where you will be seeing another competition where you can participate in. The first one is already provided in the last video. You can watch it if you want. Here it is another one that is provided by the government itself and this website. In the description box you can find the link, you can click that, and that will navigate you to this page. You see over here in this page, right on top, right hand top, you see skip to main content, Hindi, all these are there. In the end, you see login and register. The register word, maybe it is not visible, but it is there. It is register, login and register. So you will have to register over here. Once you click the register button, you will be directed to a new page where you will see something like this. Uh, you will see, you will have to allow it, and here you will type the pin code, the city, the state, the district, the address, okay, and you'll have to update it. Once you have updated it, you will see that right at the front page, skip to main content, again over here, you will no more see login or register. You will see your name appearing. You are already logged in, which means now you see, if you return, if you search, there are different programs that are being held over here. So this one, Unity in Creativity, here you can participate, here you can showcase your creativity and stand the chance to present it on a national platform. So here we will go, we will see what is here. See, Rangoli making competition, there are so many types of competitions over here. Rangoli making competition, Desh Bhakti Geet competition, Lori contest, different types of things. If you want to participate in this Rangoli making, you will go here, you will register, you will give your details over here and submit. And here you can upload your selfie with your Rangoli. So what you will do is you will make one Rangoli, and you can sit in front of it and ask your parents to click a beautiful picture. If you have a DSLR, you can click the Rangoli and you with that, and you can then upload it over here, and then you can can submit. So in the same way, this is Rangoli. If you want to participate in Desh Bhakti Geet competition, then you can do that also. For that, you have to upload your details and choose file. You have to upload file, that song that you have sung over there, that you'll upload. If you want a pen, a lori, and stand a chance, there that means if you want to write a poem or something, that also you can write. You have to add your mobile number with the ISD code, that is 91 for India. Here you have to upload that file, choose file. You have to choose the file that you have, the thing that you have written. So that also you can submit. All right. You can read more about this contest, how to participate. Click here to participate. You can just click here to participate, or you can also, like, winning in entries, proposed timeline, that also you can read. So selection criteria, every Indian is invited to send their entries here. Anybody, any of you from any particular state can come here and participate in their mother tongue. But if the participant is conversant is more than one language, then they can choose their language of choice. If you know three languages, you can directly choose one for the same. Okay, so like this, you have different types of like the rangoli making also is there. You can read more about it. If you want to read more about rangoli making competition, you can read how to do it, and you can see some examples also. Okay, every Indian with the ages of 10 is invited. 10 plus, you must be above 10, so you can participate over here. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 is here. District level, state level, national level is also there. So here you get an opportunity to participate even in national level. So I hope you'll all be able to and will be interested in participating in such a beautiful thing. And if you do participate, let me know. And yes, I want my big family to participate here, and yes, win prizes also. That's all. Hope to meet you in my next video. Best of luck.